Hey kids! Have you ever wondered how cats would get to school? Let's find out about different types of transportation together with our furry friends. Meet Whiskers the cat. She loves to walk. When you walk to school, you use your legs to move from one place to another. It's great exercise. Then there's Felix. Felix likes to ride a bicycle. Using pedals, he moves forward. Bicycles are fun and eco-friendly. Now, meet Luna. Luna rides a scooter to school. Scooters have two wheels and you push with one foot to go forward. Zoom. Directions, making them perfect for special trips. Speaking of flying, meet Bella. Bella travels by airplane. Airplanes are the fastest way to travel long distances in the sky. Charlie the cat loves boats. Boats travel on water and can be used for fun trips or to reach places across lakes and rivers. Zoe enjoys sailing on a yacht. Yachts are fancy boats used for relaxing trips on the water. Ahoy, matey! Sammy takes a ferry. Ferries are large boats that can carry cars and people across bodies of water. All aboard! Milo the cat likes to paddle in a canoe. Canoes are small boats you paddle with oars. It's a fun way to explore rivers and lakes. Rocky loves riding on a motorcycle. Motorcycles have two wheels and are fast and thrilling. Hold on tight. Fluffy takes a hoverboard. Hoverboards have wheels and use balance to move. They're futuristic and super fun. Gracie enjoys a ride on a unicycle. Unicycles have just one wheel and need great balance. It's challenging but exciting. Misty prefers roller skates. With wheels on her feet, she glides smoothly to school. It's a really fun way to travel. Archie the cat rides in a sidecar attached to a motorcycle. Sidecars let you enjoy the wind while being safely seated. Pepper takes a ride in a rickshaw. Rickshaws are pulled by a person and are common in some countries. It's a unique way to travel. Oliver occasionally hops on a Segway. Segways are two-wheeled vehicles that move based on your balance. They're very modern. Whiskers sometimes uses an electric scooter. Electric scooters are similar to regular scooters but powered by batteries. Felix loves riding a tandem bicycle with a friend. Tandem bicycles have two seats and two sets of pedals for double the fun. Luna occasionally rides a golf cart. Golf carts are small electric vehicles often used on golf courses but are fun for short trips. Tommy sometimes gets to school in a limousine. Limousines are long cars and feel very fancy to ride in. Lily loves riding a horse to school. Horses are strong and can take you through paths where cars can't go. Giddy up! Max prefers a jet ski on weekends. Jet skis are fast water vehicles that are fun for quick trips on the lake. Bella enjoys riding a hot air balloon. Hot air balloons float in the sky and give you a bird's eye view of everything below.